Good morning friends, welcome to our computers. Today we are going to discuss about macros. See here, macros. In the view menu, macros option is available. Okay. In this video we are going to discuss what is macros, how to use these macros. These are all things we'll discuss in this video. First of all, what is macro? Macro is used to record our work, what we done in our document. In future, we can refer the macros whenever we want. Now, how to create macros? Just click on the macros option. See here, macros. Below macros, some small triangle shaped dot is there. So, I am going to click on that one. So, immediately some options are displayed like this: view macros, record macros, and pause recording option also is there, that is in disable. Okay, so now we are going to click on record macro. Now we are going to click on record macro. So whenever we click on the record macro, immediately the record macro dialog box displayed like this. See here, record macro dialog box displayed like this. Here macro name, one column is there. Okay, so we have to enter the name of the macro. So I am going to enter the name, that is computers. I am going to enter the name of the macro, computers, and click on the OK button. Click on the OK button. Whenever I will click on the OK button, see the cursor. So the cursor shape also changed like this. Now what work we do in our document, immediately it is going to record. So now I am going to type some text here. Computer is an electronic device. See here, some text I typed like this. Okay, now I am going to take some clip arts also. Insert some pictures. I am going to take some pictures. Like this. I took some pictures also like this. Okay, so everything it is going to record in the macro. Whenever our work is finished, then immediately click on the macro again. See here, click on the macro again. Okay, here see the options. Now view macros, stop recording, pause recording, three options are enabled. Okay, before itself start recording is there, now it is stop recording. So now I am going to click on the stop recording. So stop recording, immediately it stops the recording our work. Okay, now I am going to close the document, or else take another new document. Now I want to review our macro. So how to go? So click on the view menu. Okay, click on the macros. In this one, now we have to click on view macros. Now view macros dialog box displayed like this. Here macro name is there, so it displayed like this computers. So how many macros we created? So all the names displayed here only. Okay, so we created only one macro, that's why computers is displayed. So click on run button. See here, run, step into, edit, create, delete, organizer, so many buttons are there. Now we have to click on run button. So whenever I click on the run button, immediately see whatever we record that macro, immediately it will display like this. So totally, so like this we can refer anytime this macro. Okay, thank you.